Hi everyone, my name is Jared Collier and I want to thank you for taking this crash course in YouTube ads. I only have 30 minutes to get through this, so let's just get started right now, shall we? Common myths and objections that you might have about YouTube ads. So the first one is that it usually requires expensive equipment. Here's the thing, your cell phone is enough to shoot a YouTube ad. I have an iPhone 5 and phones nowadays can shoot in 4K, which means they're comparable to most DSLRs or mirrorless cameras. And I say that lightly because obviously there's a spectrum here of equipment that you need, and you can go as low end or as high end as you want. It's really all about your budget and your goals with your video productions. The second thing is you have to be in front of the camera. You have to be the face, you have to be talking. Maybe you're uncomfortable in front of the camera. Maybe you feel like you're not a good presenter. Maybe you feel like you don't you just don't want to put yourself out there and be in a situation where you're risking rejection or people might make fun of you or whatever it is. Here's the thing. You don't actually have to be in front of the camera to do YouTube ads. There are tons of places you can get videos created on your behalf. But I will tell you, here's the thing. I recommend taking the bull by the horns and learning if you really truly do want to go down this route because it'll save you a lot of money and a lot of time and you'll gain a lot of control. So if you go and look for people who can do your videos, you're going to get discouraged immediately. 10,000, 5,000, 10,000, 5,000. So you're going to say, oh, I can't, video production's out, can't do it. But reality is you can go to Fiverr and look at these prices, 15, 20, $50. This is more reasonable for people that are just getting started, right? What kind of videos can you get made? You can get whiteboard and animated explainer videos created. You can get slideshow and video product promotion videos made. You can get live actors to act out your script. Those are going to cost you a little bit more. You can also get animated characters and modeling. And then you could also look at Upwork if you didn't find what you were looking for on Fiverr. But yeah, those are some options, right? And the problem is you are going to have to pay. So you're going to save a lot more money if you just learn this intrinsic skill, practice in front of the camera, because that's really what it is. I'm an introvert by nature, so it's not normal. I don't feel comfortable in front of the camera, but I took the time, I did it over and over again, and I think I'm always improving. You're never perfect, but you're always improving. Okay, so the next objection usually is if you work at an agency, is the client doesn't want to build a YouTube presence. They don't even have a channel, so we can't do YouTube ads. Here's the thing, that's a huge misconception. The fact is, the client doesn't have to build a YouTube subscriber base. Your goal as a marketer, if you work at an agency, is to get traffic and leads and sales for your clients. That means you can make the videos for them, put them in your account. The client doesn't have to have a YouTube channel, and you send leads and sales their way. So what you should be doing is saying, hey, agency, let's add a new service line. It's called video production. We're going to shoot these videos here in-house because that's what we should be doing as a digital marketing agency. Also, we're going to charge our clients for this. And we're going to get better at YouTube ads because there's a huge shift coming. So we have to be prepared for that. The fourth is YouTube ads aren't effective. So anything is only as effective as you know how to use it. If you're not good at, if you create a really crappy ad and you get really crappy results, well, guess what? It's because you created a really crappy ad. So your effectiveness is only as good as your skills at whatever it is you're trying to do. And in fact, that brings me to my next point, which is it's hard to make an effective video. In this course, I think it's video 6, we're going to show you how to create and put together an effective YouTube ad video. So those are my common myths and misconceptions and objections that most people have about YouTube ads. Let's go on to the next video, which is just getting started. What do you need?